In front of me is Redmi Note 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Apps section available here. Now click on Dual Apps. And finally, click on gray switches next to all of your apps you wanna clone. Confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. When I go back to check it out, I can see that my app was successfully cloned after a few seconds. To delete it, use the same switcher and confirm your choice in a different pop-up. If you want to clone one of the recommended ones, just click on the chosen one and use gray switcher next to Dual Apps. Confirm your choice and wait. The only difference is you can also manage those two options. In case of Instagram, share to WhatsApp and wake using Google Assistant. Tap on the one you wanna manage and apply one of those options. Always ask Default app or Dual app. Wherever you decided when this switcher is blue, your app was successfully cloned. You can delete it the same way as all of those from the list. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!